नहीं हुआ जेई.
Better food.
My parents did not want me to join this college.
He caught me giving a proxy for someone. I don't know what habit he has. He take off its clothes.
मैं मुंह से पानी की आवाज़ निकाल सकता हूँ.
है गाड़ी मेरी 2 सीटर, उसमें लगा है 1 हीटर. चलता है उसको पीटर, चलाता है उसको पीटर. स्पीड का टूट गया मीटर.
Hi, my name is Aban Hassan. I'm from Mangalore, which is in coastal Karnataka.
Chatan,
Rajiv, Virat, Shivansh Pratap Singh,
Deepak.
Hi, my name is Anchal and I'm from Jagannath Puri.
रेस में चलती है कार. आप सबको नमस्कार. मैं हूँ कृष्ण चैतन्य फ्रॉम आंध्र प्रदेश विशाखापट्टनम.
At least 60-70 hours I can wake up in one go.
मैं ऐसा दिखता नहीं पर फूड बहुत ज़्यादा खा लेता हूँ और कितना भी खाए मोटा नहीं होता.
I can eat a whole bucket of ice. If you give me like a bowl of ice, I can eat it.
3 shots of black coffee and still I can sleep.
My unusual talent is that I am very confident when I do weird things. Today I gave a cookie to my maths teacher. He was confused but he said thanks.
मैं मुंह से पानी की आवाज़ निकाल सकता हूँ.
He has this alarm clock that goes off at like 5 a.m. in the morning, and it's kukuruku, and you have to solve 3 math problems to turn it on.
My roommate is annoying. I hope she is not watching actually.
रात भर गेम खेलता है वो, सोने नहीं देता.
I don't know, I just don't like her. Sorry bro.
I mentioned 2 things actually. He doesn't sleep actually, and the other one is communication gap. I don't know Hindi actually. And in college, I guess, I was asking him, bro, when will the bus arrive? He's like, yes.
So मेरे तो 2 रूममेट्स हैं. एक पूरा उसका वाइब मेरे वाइब से मैच होता है. हम दोनों मिलकर भजन सुनते हैं. दूसरा जो रूममेट है वो रात भर पोकर खेलता रहता है. सीनियर्स के साथ पोकर खेलता रहता है.
She sleeps with lights turned on, and I hate that.
My roommate doesn't talk to me. I don't think he knows my name. As I saw online, a lot of the seniors, they said that cultural activities and the extracurriculars are not that up to scale, but I was really amazed by the kind of stuff that has happened already in the 2 months that have passed.
Before I came to SST, I was like, जाएंगे वहाँ पर सारा दिन बस कोडिंग करेंगे, रूम पे आ जाएंगे. बट व्हेन आई रीच SST, आई मेड न्यू फ्रेंड्स. फर्स्ट टाइम मेरे लिए एक्सपीरियंस था. इतने सारे लोग हैं साथ में. डीजे नाइट वगैरह किया.
पहले दिन ही जब ऑनबोर्डिंग हुआ था तो डीजे नाइट एक बहुत लंबे समय बाद एक बहुत फन एक्सपीरियंस मैंने महसूस किया था दोस्तों के साथ.
I think it's going to be full of vibes. It's going to be colorful. It's going to be blissful. Everyone's going to enjoy it.
If we like call someone like Dhenchak Puja, that would be crazy, right?
Like we can sing Dhenchak Puja. है गाड़ी मेरी 2 सीटर, उसमें लगा है 1 हीटर. चलता है उसको पीटर, चलाता है उसको पीटर. स्पीड का टूट गया मीटर.
So talking about club, I'm myself in OSC club. All the core members, they're always there with you. They will always like 24/7.
I think AIML club is one of the best clubs to be in. There is always something new to learn. There's something happening in the group.
I'm in the AIML club in the intermediate track right now. We have sit-down sessions every week. It feels like there's an actual learning environment.
So I plan to join the CP club, and the seniors here are really good. Such things are exclusive, and they wouldn't have been available to me if I was at some other place.
I'm in the Orator Society, and they recently had the debate competition, which was very fun because everybody was at their best. It was like adrenaline rush again.
So I'm in Open Source Club, and the core team is like really good. एक भैया है सुहाद भैया who cracked GSOC, बहुत crazy भैया है, and it's good.
I actually like my room. I like my roommates. We have completely transformed the room. It's a very beautiful, cozy space.
हमें स्टडी टेबल्स मिले हैं, बेड्स मिले हैं, बट द स्टडी टेबल्स आर नॉट यूज्ड फॉर स्टडी. कपड़े सुखाने के लिए यूज होते हैं.
I have good roommates. बस उतना ही है.
I thought like there will be nobody to guide us. We have to go by ourselves. But Scalar provided us with buddies.
Scalar provides a buddy program which includes a senior of yours.
Second year seniors who will guide us throughout these engineering years.
जब भी अपन कॉलेज ज्वाइन करते हैं तो एक इमेज होती है कि सीनियर लोग होंगे, बड़े डेंजरस होंगे, रैगिंग होगी अब तो.
So when I came to Scalar, before that I had 1 to 2 months gap. So I watched the web series called Hostel Days. तो उस series में we have seen that seniors are very strict. Last में आके they develop a very good bond.
इधर के seniors बड़े chill हैं.
They are like very interactive with us.
They are really accessible.
I'm in the AIML club in the intermediate track right now. So there is a lot of energy. Seniors who are in the AIML club, they're very dedicated. They have a lot of experience.
We have 2 candidate masters here in our college, which is like really rare. Only 200 people in India are actively doing core courses are candidate masters.
The faculty in general, they are pretty good. They are very experienced and they know what they're doing.
My favorite faculty is Navdeep sir.
Ayush sir has to be my favorite.
थोड़ा friendly होके बताते हैं, बहुत energetic रहते हैं, systematic तरीके से पढ़ाते हैं.
Talking about my favorite faculty, it is Priyanshi ma'am.
Faculty are the parts of the companies from where we would be going in future, for which we are here.
The faculty, they seem to be pretty young, but they are very experienced. My favorite teacher is Navdeep sir. I think he's very dedicated and genuine teacher.
Talking about my favorite faculty, I would say Priyanshi ma'am.
She is very cheerful and always lively in the class.
Okay, so my favorite faculty is Navdeep sir. He caught me giving a proxy for someone, and and still he was like pretty chill. He just said, "Don't repeat it again."
Curriculum is top notch. Like the way they mentor students from the very first day is actually nice.
From the starting, I was passionate about CS, and like the curriculum here is like really aligned with my interests.
Apparently, it was India's Ivy League for computer science.
I chose Scalar because I don't want to write the boring assignments all nights.
I chose SST mainly because of the professors, because they are themselves industry experts. So we get mentoring from the first day itself.
My sister is in NIT Kurukshetra. She told me कि ऐसे traditional colleges में अच्छे नहीं हैं. So she told me कि join SST.
There are people who have experience in everything here, like robotics से ले लो, innovative club से ले लो.
For me, my parents were the first one who actually forced me. Like they were the ones who convinced me to go to SST.
It was actually my choice only. My parents were like, go wherever you want to. So they were like, yeah, I thought that Scalar is the best option for me. So
My parents were very happy, but they were also very sad because they were totally expecting me to be a doctor.
My parents are not open at all.
My parents initially were quite skeptical about Scalar because of course it's new.
They are not cool.
going on a YouTube channel, you know.
Yeah, I fought with them to come here.
Now they are quite happy with their decision and everything.